this video we're going to talk about French ordinal numbers. We're going to talk about what ordinal numbers are, when they're used, and how they're formed in French. I'll also give you the ordinal numbers up to 10, but you won't really need to learn them by heart because once you know how they're formed, you'll know them all. Isn't that brilliant? So what are ordinal numbers? Well, ordinal numbers are numbers used to indicate position or ranking, such as first, second, or third. Ordinal numbers are also used to tell the date in English. However, in French, ordinal numbers aren't used to tell the date. Instead, French uses cardinal numbers. The only exception is premier, which means first. So for the first of the month, you'd use the ordinal number premier, but for all other dates, you'd use numbers that are used for counting. So how are those ordinal numbers formed? Well, ordinal numbers are formed by using the cardinal number, in other words, by using the corresponding number that is used for counting, removing the final e if there's one, and adding em. So here's the formula with a couple of examples. Cardinal number minus e plus em equals ordinal number. The number 4, meaning 4, would normally have an e at the end, so we get rid of that and add em, quatrième. The number 7, meaning 7, doesn't have an e at the end, so we leave it alone and add em, septième. Please note that all numbers follow the formula. However, 5th and 9th also have a spelling change. As you can see, 5e has a u added after the q, and 9e has a v in place of an f. Premier, première. First in the masculine and first in the feminine. Premier, première. Please note that, as mentioned previously, premier is the only ordinal number used for dates. It's also the only one with a gender. French ordinal numbers for 21st and 31st are not used for dates and are genderless. Deuxième, second, deuxième. Troisième, third, troisième. Quatrième, fourth, quatrième. Cinquième, fifth, cinquième. Sixième, sixth, sixième. Septième, seventh, septième. Huitième, eighth, huitième. Neuvième, ninth, neuvième. Dixième, tenth, dixième. Vingt et unième, 21st, vingt et unième. Trente et unième, 31st, trente et unième. Just like in English, in French, ordinal numbers are also used in fractions. However, they can only be used in this way from number 5. For example, 1/5, un cinquième. If you want to say half, 1/3, or 1/4, you need to say la moitié, un tiers, un quart. This is the end of the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Alternatively, you can send me a direct message on Twitter or Facebook. Bye!